Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ALTSEASON token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, ALTSEASON is a narrative-driven meme cryptocurrency built on Solana that aims to embody the market sentiment and explosive energy of an alt season, the cyclical period when alternative cryptocurrencies seize rapid growth. A sentiment token, it is designed as a direct taxable permissions of the ALTSEASON market cycle narrative within crypto. Solana based meme coin. The project leverages the Solana blockchain for its speed, low cost, positioning itself as the intersection of the meme culture and decentralized finance. Community driven momentum. Its value position Its value proposition is powered community belief and social media momentum rather than underlying utility or protocol revenue. ALTSEASON project institution rating is 3.4. ALTSEASON token total supply is 999.96 million and circulating supply is also 999.96 million. ALTSZN token. ALTSZN token is listed on Bitmart, Lbank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.